don't know what this stuff is. Okay, so we're gonna catch this guy coming through right here. It's pretty cool. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in Saigon right here, and I don't know what this is. It's a street that's this is like filled with cotton, I guess, or some kind of cotton balls or something. But as you can see, it's all decorated. So we're just gonna check it out and see what we see. There's a lot of detail in these cities, streets. See, I don't know what those things are. But yeah, this whole street has some kind of festivities. So, okay. So we're just gonna walk down it to the end and just see what we can see. Construction. So, okay. Jail pub. It's like a pretty cool place to sit. Huh. It's a pretty cool street. Little alley right there. Another cool area right there. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going. I was wondering who kept saying hello. More bars. Let's see, how's this guy gonna do that? It's pretty cool too. Actually, let me just see. So you got people that hang out there and they eat kind of street food. And we also have this area too. Barbershop right there. We also have this one too, this whole street. It's a barbershop right there. And a shoe shine shop. Or shoe sales. This is the end of the street, but I kind of want to catch that guy. Okay, we're going to keep on exploring. Okay, the cooking classes. More cool stuff. Scooter washing place. And this is the end of the street. So I don't know what this stuff is. Okay, so we're gonna catch this guy coming through right here. It's pretty cool. All right. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.